We're back, boys. Full tank. 771 or 0.89. Yes, ang mahal. How y'all doing, chat? It's been a while since we used this boy right here. One, two, three. Asa isa? Yung isa? Alam to, quick time bike for tonight. Ganda ng AC ni Rodol. Bomba daw. Nasa labas na naman ang mga bangka. Punta lang kami ng Marikina, quick tambay, coffee. Yes sir, we're back with the bikes and coffees. Well, not really back, but yeah, a lot has happened ever since the last few videos. First of all, I would like to congratulate my boy here, Bry, for what do I call this? Getting an upgrade. Upgrade. He got promoted on our group. He's now the officer for the east side. Say dalawa. Also, nakasama tayo or na-nominate tayo bilang Bike of the Night last SR Squad anniversary. Yun yung galing pa kaming Batangas kasama nung mga tropa ko, tapos sumunod lang ako. Start ng event, it was 4 PM and I arrived there 6:30ish. Nakauwi kasi kami galing Batangas, parang 5, 6. Medyo winasmas ko lang rin pababa. And hindi naman ganun ka-traffic since it was Sunday. That time actually wala talagang wala masyadong traffic nun. So yeah, nagulat ako nun, grabe. Thank you sa pala mga lady riders, yung SR Squad. And yeah, ayan, chill ride lang tayo ngayon. Ayan, congratulations nga pala kay Boss Pitts. Siya yung nanalo ng Bike of the Night. I popped the picture of the bike here. Beep. Oh, congratulations to you, brother. Solid yung pagkakagawa mo sa motor mo, man. Malinis na malinis. Ang angas naman nung araw ni Bray. Yung naka-steady yung throttle niya. Tapos low RPM and stuff. Ayun. Dito kami, sir, Walsy Coffee.
Kasi ito pa lang kami, nandun na kami.
Ilan tayo? Lagpas 20 na nga. O, saktong 20.
21.
Halo-halo. SR, merong R3. Ano ba to? SRNK. Boom. Ito pala. Madami. Tignan natin yung menu. Resident. 16%. All-time favorites ba nila? Maluwag dito, maliwalas kahit pa paano. Ayan. Picture! Wow! Meron pa isang parapol. CF Moto Asparnas shirt. Galing China. Pang 10 number na, pang 10 pangalan na mabubuto.
Pang 10.
10.
Oh, Jabiso, wala ka na. Tanggal na.
Tignan mo yung mga...
Yung mga officers namin papunta. Ano yung maganda sa inyo na?
Manalo sir.
Your support.
Aspar.
May kinadaan yung instructor.
Yeah. Kagi panalo sir.
Hindi, nadagdagan eh. 30 na ata. 30.
Tapos na ang tambike. Ay, ako lang pala. Una na pala ako. Press Bright, thank you. Officer in charge. Sir J Mac, thank you po. Hindi ko po, hindi ko alam kung si J Mac pa to, si Ninong Rick.
Revit Ramon.
Ayan guys, Walsy Coffee. Punta na kayo dito pag trip nyo. Tapat na Marikina Medical Services Incorporated. Sean. Ayan, yun lang. Bye bye, uwian na. Ang ingay ng motor mo! Ayun lang guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe for more. And I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace out and ride safe.